Hello, I see your question here in the email. Lisa has an experienced shipping clerk who can fill an order in 10 hours. A new clerk, it takes them more time, 11 hours to do the same job. How long would it take them if they work together? Well, let's just look, Lisa experienced only takes 10 hours. Let's think about what's her rate here for a minute. If Lisa were to work 1 hour, I think she would do 1/10 of the job. If she worked two hours, she would do 2/10 of the job. If she were to work 3 hours, she would do 3/10. If she worked 10 hours, it'd be 10/10 of the whole job. On the other hand, Tom, it takes him 11 hours to do the job. So in 1 hour, he would do 1/11 of the job. In 2 hours, he would do 2/11. In 11 hours, 11/11 of it. Okay, now we're supposed to think about the time together. And so if we let x equal, time, how long it takes them working together, time together, working together to finish this job. Well, if you think about it, if 1 hour, Lisa will do 1/10 of the job. 2 hours, 2/10 of the job. X is the amount of time together. So in X hours, Lisa will do X/10 of the job. And then if you look over here, it takes Tom 11 hours. In 1 hour, he'll do 1/11 of the job. 2 hours, he'll do 2/11 of the job. In X hours, he'll do X/11 of the job. So Tom will do X/11, and then together, we're going to complete one job. And so this is the formula here, the equation you need to solve this. In general, it's the time together divided by time alone of one individual plus time together over time alone of the other individual equal 1 is the formula for this. Now you just need to solve this. I'd multiply everything by 110. Then, just a linear equation here. We multiply by 110. So multiply the first term by 110. The next term by 110, and then multiply the 110 times the 1 here. So multiplying x over 10 by 110 and x over 11 by 110. So I'm multiplying each of these terms by 110 just to clear out the fractions. Then if you divide here, 10 will go into there 11 times, so we got 11x. 11 will go into there 10 times, so we have 10x. So I'll come over here where I got a little more room. I'd have 11x plus 10x equal to 110. That's 21x equal to 110. Divide each side by 21, so that's 110 over 21. Hope this helps.